All right, we here. We here. Price is just moving all the way up just to retrace that entire move. As you do. Once more. Shocker. What up, Trader Oracle? I mean, killed it this morning using your imbalance strategy. I don't know if I'm using it right or not, but pretty well killed it this morning using it the way I did. Yeah, basically what I was doing, I'll kind of show you. You tell me if it's kind of a stupid idea or not. Idea. So basically what I was doing was like looking for areas where you have an imbalance above and an imbalance below. So I just short this imbalance and then target this one, right? Since you had one above and one below. That's kind of, the same kind of idea. That's what I was doing. So anyways, obviously you long this imbalance to this one. You took a little drawdown, but it worked. So I don't know how it worked out the rest of the day, but you can see $1,200 right there. I think I'm actually up like $1,800 on it. So that's what we've been doing. We did it last night during the Asia session too. I don't know. I was just using it during Asia, and it was working. It worked well during that too. Slow markets. So many ways to skin the cat. Yeah. The other way, I mean, like I see how you're doing it, and I just don't. My problem is like finding a spot where I feel comfortable getting in and having the stop loss and things like that. So see, we're pushing all the way back up to the highs here. Let me see. My meat potatoes are when it drops a new imbalance after a deep into the Bollinger Band. It's in a hurry to escape the extreme. What up, Pine Tree? Yeah, I need to look into the Bollinger Bands. I don't have that on my stuff either. What chart are you using the Bollinger Bands on? Is that on TradingView? And ES is weaker here. Maxie, what are we doing, bud? Trade of Eagle send some sound. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. May have to disconnect this one for one moment. What's gold doing? Max is just going wild over here. Smoked your My Funny Futures? Oh, dang. How big's your payout, though? How big is the payout? Congrats on the daily payout. That's the thing, like the bottom. I had the bottom. I took, you can be like, oh, I longed the bottom. Anybody can say that. But we did actually long from like 850. But I took my 10 points and was out. 1,800. Let's go. I guess that makes up for blowing that My Funny Futures, huh? makes up for it. Let's see here. Did I get my account yet? Yeah, we got it. All right. Might do a little initial balance play here. We'll see. If we kind of get above it, we'll see what happens. ES is, it's funny because ES is not near as strong. It's at the lows here. Is that the high or the low? Wait, hold on. Let me zoom out. No, that is at the highs. Why is the color of that line different? Oh, because I got the... Okay, I know why now. All right, never mind. What up, Gold Chest Club? When am I coming to Boston? I don't know. I was going to go for my my best friend's mom's funeral, but he didn't want me to come. He was like, nah, man, come another time when we can hang out and have a good time. Nate, minus 3K today, 5K Monday. That sucks. Yeah, Gen X, you hear him barking. What is he barking at? I don't know. Cove Trader's on the TV, so maybe he's barking at Cove. I don't know. He's barking at something. They said, hello, Max. Hello. I forgot to turn my camera back on. There we go. So, yeah, I don't know. I'll come for sure at some point in the next couple of months. But I don't know quite when. You needed 75 to pass and ended up negative 500. Can't tell you how many times I've done that. So many times. Let me get a little stab long here. Kind of high in the range. I probably should have taken it off the 21, but we're going to give a little stab here. ES above the initial balance there. Kind of bouncing off of it, so let's see if it can go. We still got that wick sitting up there that we haven't ran yet. Probably just target that. See how she does. And the thing is, though, stop reeling. He needs to be all the way down here at 53. I guess we'll put it there. Put it where it needs to be, and then we'll just add into it if it pulls back. You know, seems reasonable, right? Just add into it. Guys, we'll do a giveaway today if we can reach the amount needed for the Take Profit Trader giveaway. I think Pine Tree reached his yesterday, didn't you, Pine? We need 3 more. It looks like we need 3 or 4 more sales. We're at $9,618. We got to get to 10K. So depending upon the size of the account, it could be 3. It could be 4. If you buy 3 50Ks, then we'll probably need a 4th. If it's like 1 150K and then 2 50Ks. You know what I mean. One or the other. One or the other to get there. We'll do the giveaway as soon as we get there. So, what up, Wayne? How you doing? Yannick's in the house. But yeah, we're close, but no cigar right now. No cigar. Close, but no cigar. Boom, 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 boom. Neo in the house. Yeah, no, Wayne. Nah, no worries. I mean, Bulenox still 90% off, too. No worries, no worries. We get there when we get there, right? I'm just trying to do the giveaway. I like doing the giveaways. I know I'll be there this month. It looks like we're on pace to get to the 150Ks as well. Yannick, use the code MM. Pick one up. You'll be the man. You might even win a free one. Who knows? You'll be the man. As if you weren't already. Oh, Oh, yeah, nothing wrong with that, Wayne. Nothing wrong with that at all. Ribbit. Bulenox or TPT. It's up to you, Oracle. I need the TPT sales to get to the bonus for the giveaways, but it's up to you. As long as you guys are supporting the channel, that's all we care. You're ready for a giveaway? Let's do it. Hey, who we got here? Aomine Dakel fan sub. Amen. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. Might add into the 50 EMA touch here. Yeah, this is a little scary. Probably a bit aggressive. You know. Say that 3 times fast. I could not. I'm sure that he could say it fast. Eamon Garby. I could say that fast. Eamon. Is it Eamon or Eamon? Probably Eamon, huh? I'm pretty decent with names, but that's one that got me. That one probably get me. See, Tarot Oracle, we could say that. Trader Oracle, we could say that. We could say that one quickly. All right, come on now. What we got? We pulling back? All right. Okay. I see you. Okay. I see you. We will DCA. Stop really needs to be at the 40. That will put our average at what, like 56? No, 66. 25 points. Yeah. You're under probation with Apex? Man, what'd you do? Who'd you shoot, Yonix? Who'd you shoot? Add much lower so it protects your stop, maybe. Nate, this is an eval and be a little more aggressive with it, you know what I mean? But yeah, I get what you're saying. I'm just going to be a little more aggressive with it. It's okay. It's okay. No money eater. I'm just going to be a little aggressive with this eval. It's all right. Even if we lose this trade, we're down like $1,800, whatever it is, and you know, we'll work our way back. That's what we do. No evaluations for a lifetime? That's crazy. Seems a little ridonkulous, but what up, Ruwan? How you doing? True Seeker in the house. I didn't do anything. I'm long. Oh, you're talking to Yonix. Yonix said he was a moneymaker. That's what he did. He was all about that money, money, money. It's funny. My youngest son, he loves that. He loves to say that. He'll walk around the house, money, money, money. Oracle. I'll dump a mortgage worth of contracts into this setup. That's funny. Pull back, fill, and continue. Engulfing candle. So it hits a band, pulls back. I got you. Oh. Let's play that song. That song is called I Don't Mind by Usher, in case you didn't know. All right, tagged in here. You the man. Oh, do I not have the audio on my headset? I do. Why is it not? Why am I not hearing it? Did I not turn them on? Yeah, they're on. Oh. This is not that song I'm looking for. Oh, here it is. Oh, no. We don't want to hear no clean version. How you doing, Dylan? You did manage to knock out a TPT 150K, 100K in 3 days. Still don't make up for the huge losses. It's still a good job, though. Still a good job. $23.06. I'm long. So I'm long. Long. But you dance anyway.
That'll make you a hoe, shawty, I don't.
There we go. That's all I can play. That's it. Standard 20 period 2 deviation. Okay. I'm going to put that on mine right now. Are you using the Tiki Bollinger Man? Gonna make you a hoe? You might. Does that say standard? Let me find it. Show Tiki. Standard deviation. I used to use these, but on something else. On TradingView, I think. All right, you said standard 20. Standard, oh, it's basic levels. Same thing. This is what mine looked like on here. I can go in there and change the color, but I can take that color off. What do we want it to be? And it's still ugly. Oh, I didn't change the color. That's why. I don't know. That's ugly. I got to figure out how to take this off here. Not take it off, but change the color. That's probably the way to go. You're writing your own trading platform? Let's go. Oh, man, it almost got me out of that first contract there. Almost. That's quite rude. We'll have to check that out, Trade Oracle, once you get it all set up. There we go. Got us out of the first one. Could close this trade here for basically break even if I wanted to. Trade event that allows me to copy trade with brackets. I'm all in, Oracle. Yeah, that's true. Who took this morning dump? Well, I heard somebody saying they were eating tacos last night. I can't remember who it was. I think it was Treff. He probably did. He probably had a spicy dump this morning. Oh, you're talking about the move down. Oh, 6 Billy. My bad, my bad. I tried to. I basically was catching the falling knives, though, for the most part. It was Taco Tuesday yesterday. Yeah. By the way, Pine Tree, you can use brackets on Tradeovate if you download Replicanto and you have Ninja open at the same time. You can execute on Tradeovate and use the brackets from Ninja to copy across the accounts on Replicanto. You can do that. That's a thing. I do that. I don't like it that much because Tradeovate messes up sometimes, but it is a thing. Hooligan. I don't know whether I should take this off and find a better spot or leave it on. Not sure. I need to make this Bollinger Band look better. Can I do this one? White? Let's try this. That's still not good. I want to take the middle part off. Easy. What in the hell am I doing? This thing is looking crazy. Okay. Oh, is that how you do it? All right, I screwed this up. It's been a long day. What up, Mr. Ponzi? All right, I'll turn this off and then. Oh man, what am I doing? Come on, rip it up here. Let's go. How do I delete these? I don't mean to have these on here. I don't know. I screwed this up for sure. Inflation Nation's on a roll. I mean, why does it not let you change the fill color? I don't like this. I don't know. I've screwed this thing up. How do I remove the indicator and just reinstall it? Anybody know in TradeAway how you do that? Why can't I see it? Guys, again, we'll do a giveaway if we can meet the... we're pretty close. We need 4 more sales, I think. 4 more sales. I don't know how to change the color on this thing. It's annoying. You're the winner? All right. You could be. It's fine by me. Whoever's the winner. Anyone can be the winner. You can be a winner. You can be a winner. It don't matter. We need 4 more sales. I've got this Bollinger Band on here, and I don't like it. I don't like the color. I don't know how to change it. I do not know how to change it. Oh, that's probably why. Oh, I need to go. I bet I got to go to Community Indicators and uninstall it. That's what I got to do. Starting to try to push here. This one. That one wouldn't let me take it off. Really pulling back on me? Why are you doing this? Might add into this if it touches the 50. I don't know. We'll see. May add back into it. There we go. That's a bullish reaction. Let's go. Maxie, what are we barking at? Can it go, guys? Can it push? Let's go. The Maxi indicator, that's right. Well, we don't know if he means long or not. Oh, maybe this is the one I should be using. There we go. I got it. All right. Got it. We found the one. Found it. I like it. There we go. Power Hour DGN. Respect my authority. It goes bearish when he barks. I don't know, Ruan. Hard to tell. Sometimes it is bearish, sometimes not. We are across the 330 here. Let's see if it continues to go up. You're long also. Let's go. Might Arta, I don't know. Should we target higher? I mean, ES did take the high. We do have a big SMT here. Not quite sure here what I'm supposed to do. I guess since we're long, we'll just stay long. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Nice push there. Let me look at the higher time frame to see if we should target anything higher. I mean, realistically, we got that hourly gap up here, or hourly order block. Technically, I do think that is a protected high. Maybe not yet. Well, yeah, it didn't take a high out in this gap, so it's probably okay for a target. We'll see. Stop to break even, Tech T says. I 100% get stopped out, Tech T, if I go stop to break even. That's the only thing. But valid point as well. Get stopped to break even. You can maybe re-enter lower, right? Re-enter lower. Probably makes sense. Look for a spot a little lower to maybe bounce, get a bounce on. Keep it below the EMA. Yeah. Somebody calling me from Rome, Georgia. It's going to be spam. They're going to say they're calling me for my loan approval. Watch. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, never mind. That was a spammer. I thought it was going to be an automated machine. I thought it was going to be an automated machine saying, we have your loan approval. Instead, it was a person that's going to say that. We're going to talk to him together. I should have spam call say, hello, you're live on the air. We wouldn't be lying to him then either. You're live on the air. You are a 99th caller. Too bad the gift goes to the 100th caller. You suck. Have a nice day. The prize goes to the 100th caller. Try again. You have a ticket to pay? Oh yeah. That's true too. I got a voicemail yesterday saying that they were getting ready to serve me court documents. Oh, I deleted it though. I was gonna read it out to you guys, but I deleted it. My daughter got on to me because I had 102 voice messages. She said, 102? What in the world? You need to delete those. I was like, all right. True. What was the last game? Let me let's set up a bot for. I'm gonna set up a bot for the 350 algo today. Why not? This way we don't even have to think about it. I haven't really been doing it anyway, but why not? I can't remember. Well, that's not going to matter. No. Would it matter, though? Austin, the 30-second was a $500 winner, but the bot didn't take it for some reason. And the 15-second lost. I cannot remember if this bot is on... Is it on military time? I don't know. I don't think it is. Woohoo! Look at that. One minute. What was I doing as an offset? I think I was going 5 points. French from the country, man. Let me your eardrums. It was a beautiful day. Some blues, some browns, some grays. Yeah, I think we'll do it like that. We'll forget about it, and then it'll enter in order, and it'll scare me. Watch. If I set it up right. I don't even know. Oh. Got to change it to PM. That would have been an error. Hold on. This is wrong anyway. 349. Had the time wrong. All right, here we go, guys. Woohoo! Come on, get me. Come on, let's go. All right, we got it turned on. It's on, Zabak. Bam, come on. Oh, come on. Not going to be a dick for a tick there. Let's just take it. It's always nice when you're not even paying attention and then the trade just goes your way. Let's go. The trade just goes your way. Let's go. All right, I got the bot set up to take the 350 algo trade. We're going to take it with 5 minis. Seems okay. I don't remember how I used to take that trade. I used to offset it. I thought it was 5 points, but maybe it wasn't. Was it 5 points below? I think it was. I don't remember. That's it, Ruana. That was a banger. Look at that 50 EMA touch. Almost no drawdown. 2 points on the 50 EMA. A little 30-point banger. It's all we do, guys. It's all we do is give out bangers. Green everywhere except for the bot trade that lost. Still didn't take any other trades on these accounts over here. I'm telling you guys, when I close the stream down, I close it down. I don't sit here and press on this button and screw my day up. I don't do it. I don't do it, guys. We left some bullish. Oof. All right, I'm going to take a little short here, I think. Am I? $85.77. Targeting 85 and 77 maybe. I'm going to target 77. We'll go 78. You also swing your trade and you're short now. Ooh. This is a dangerous short, to be honest. I'm going to stop to break even at 89. Very, very dangerous short here, but yeah, you know, why not? I think it works. Initial balance high, retest there. Expect some sort of bounce there potentially. Might go break even here and re-enter if it stops me. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go break even and just re-enter if it stops me out. 63.25. I'm looking for 77. It's my first target down, and 85. 63.25 is definitely on the table. What about Vizek? Again, we'll re-enter if this stops us. Really not supposed to put the stop to break even, but it's logical for this to bounce off that level there to some degree. 85 is the first target. 78, second target. All right, I'm going to re-enter here. We're going to target down here. And I may add one. I may add more than one here if we get back below initial balance here. We'll see how it goes. I've got these beats keep me company. Yeah, I may add below initial balance. Looking for that run lower. We'll see how it plays. Safe take profit is going to be 85 for sure. We are 4 minutes outside the murder bot, so we have to consider that. We shall have to consider that. All right, I'm in two here. I'm going to be aggressive with the stop on the second one here because I don't want to. I want it to just blast right through that level. Don't really want it to bounce here. Bam. Wham bam on that one. First target acquired. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even here. Might get stopped. That's okay if I do. Really should leave the stop up there though, but that's all right. Didn't make a ton of money there, but a little bit. It's better than none. You're in the green for the day. Let's go. Let's go. Not trading anymore is fine. Nothing wrong with that. You don't have to be degen like Methodical Man over here. All right, we are 2 minutes and 54 seconds outside. going to show you guys why I took that trade. Show you guys why I took it. Look, we got 2 imbalances below. We wicked into the Bollinger Band there. So a nice little rejection off the Bollinger Band. And yeah, so I took the short. Hey, why not? Didn't manage it that well. We didn't make that much money on it. I mean, we were originally short from 93, you know. But we'll see. Here we go. Let's see what the initial balance, or not initial balance, the let's see what the murder bot does today. Look like a nice, this does look like a bull flag. Still think it cleans us down. I added a VISIC I added and then took one off at like 3-4 points. Nothing crazy. And then took the second one off. I actually made money on the second one. We were short from 92. We got stopped out at, I mean, it's 3 points on each. So basically like 120 bucks. So not a lot of money, but better than nothing. All right, we got a minute and a half. Let's see what the, let's see how the good old 350 algo plays. I don't even know if the bot will trigger. I mean, I'm assuming I set it up right. The only thing I'm questioning is whether or not it's in military time. I don't really remember. I don't remember. But we'll find out. Down to 23K. Yeah, maybe. I don't know if we got time for that. We'll see. ES at the 6309 here. Or at least that's what it wicked off of earlier. All right, got 40 seconds. Let's see how it works. I'm thinking that we wick down. Thinking that we wick down into this area. Just a wick. At MOC. All right, 20 seconds. Let's see what it does. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is my short order at? It didn't put it put a long order on, but no short order. What the hell? It did not put a short order on. I don't know why. That's weird. Put the short order on myself, I guess. Missed me by a couple ticks there. Missed me by a couple of ticks. I just heard a noise. So I'm like, what? I don't know why. I don't understand why I didn't put the short on. Like the short, that short would have paid money. I mean, big. Look at the short would have had me short from, we'd have been short 87. 87, and our target would have just been 5 points with 5 minis. It would have banged. Probably an M pattern breakdown again. We'll see. Just, you know. That's annoying. We had the target. Still hasn't hit the target, honestly. Could still. Could still hit the target here. If I can talk. Just don't know how it will hit the target. So there's no point in chasing it. That's actually the target, 77 1/4. To go with me, let's go with Visa. Nice job. $500 booked. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, if you're new here, subscribe. Let me know you are new here. We'll give you a nice welcome. Let's check and see. Woo, is that the 354? No, front running the 54. We still need 3 more sales, guys. Can we get 3 sales while we're on the stream here? We'll do the giveaway. 3 sales, we'll do the giveaway. I'm going to short this. Might give some back here. This is very, very risky, so. Very risky, but I'm thinking that this thing's trying to trap some buyers here. Below 83, I'm going to go stop to break even. There we go. Stop to break even there. Can't lose. You want it. You know you want it. Do you get credit if we get a reset when originally? Yes, Jim, we do. Early Asia. No, Avisik, I won't today. I take Wednesdays off. Take Wednesday Asia off. Come on, get down there. Dude, get down there. You know you want that level. Don't stop me out, man. God dang it. I know it's going down here. All right, we got the 55 candle coming up here. Do I do it again? I know it's going here. I mean, I know it's going there. No, Gen X, I just use it for a me day. I just don't trade that day on Asia. I know it's going here. Yeah, maybe it's not. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, I don't really get to see my son all that much when I stream Asia, so I try to take a couple of days off a week from doing it. I'm going to chase this. I probably shouldn't, but we're going to do it anyway. ES breaking out here, probably get stopped. Let's see. A little pullback here on the ES now. It's going to take this level. It's going to. Yeah. 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 Let's see. Got 3 minutes left in the day here. 3 minutes left in the day. What I may do is risk the entire profits on this account for today. Let's do that. Well, we'll still be green a little bit. Might add into it one more time, which would be risking everything. We'll see here. Might dump around 23.095. See a lot of sellers at 100. I don't know. I just believe in this level here. I believe in this level being hit. It may not, but it could, you know, I don't really know when it's going to be hit. It's kind of the problem, right? And we are at the end of the day where anything can happen. All right, do we hold it into the final minute or not? Is the question. I suppose. Why not? All right, 30 seconds left before the final minute where we get a little volatility. A little volatility. Five seconds away from the final minute. There we go. There's my level. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This will be a good long spot. I don't know that I'm going to do it. If it wicks here. If it wicks back up. Hit the like button. That's right. I think they do. I think if you get a wick here, I think this is a good long spot. Into the final minute. But I'm up $787. Don't know if I want to hit the button again. If we get a wick here, I might do it. Gonna kind of let the air out here at the close, probably. A VSIC, it's only because of the imbalance that was right there. I'll show you in a moment. Let the air out and it went down. Nice. Yeah, because of this, a VSIC. Same thing I've been trading all day. I mean, same thing I was trading last night. We had this level, right? We had this level. We tapped the first one, and then we left this one down here. And when we failed to kind of make a new high, I just thought that we were going to take out this level. So I just parked my order down there and just held it. Kind of chased it, to be honest, but, you know. But that's a volume imbalance. Basically, if you want that in, you get on Trade of 8, you go to Trader Oracle imbalance, volume imbalance indicator. Put it on there, it just prints those. So, finished up today at, so we're up 1,100, down 9, up 1,000, and up 787. This is me trading with you guys this afternoon, $787. Let's go. I don't even know. Do we even take a loser? I don't think we did. That's how we do's it sometimes. That's how we do's it. All right, let me find the other P&L. And this is from this morning. Up 1,800, 393, 53, 40. Let's go. All right, let's check and see if we're able to do the giveaway here or not. Did we get enough sales in this 1 hour to do the giveaway? Oh, we're 3 sales away. All right, guys, I guess it'll be tomorrow. If you guys want to help support the channel, hit that like button, subscribe. If you want to use my codes, 40% off, no activation fee, Take Profit Trader. You get same-day payouts. You can pass it in 2 days, but you got to trade 5 days total. Trade day, 40 days, 40% off, no activation fee as well. You do have to trade 7 days. I do think the trade day is a really good deal, probably one of the better deals. Bulenox, 91% off. Tradeify, 35% off. Use code MM. Bulenox, 91% off. Code MM. Trade days MM. APEX, 80% off. Use code MYTH. My Funded Futures, use code MM. You get 50% off your first account purchase for this month. That's code MM. And then 15% off thereafter. I got codes with Day Traders, Tick, Funded Futures Network, Elite, Trade Day, Legends, Lucid. All those codes are MM if you want to help support the channel. If you're trading with them, I'm not necessarily trading with them, but if you want to help support the channel and use the code, you can. You're going to buy the accounts anyway. Other than that, we appreciate you guys watching, and we will be live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. See you next time.